going.
Are we? Is it on? Is it on? Mystery box time. Guys, guess what? We're just going to jump into this. This is another food returns from Amazon. That's right. People are so petty, they get food and return it. Oh, I bought a few of these so far. And let me tell you the greatest hits. Snail seasoning. Snail seasoning is what I got one time. Behind the camera, by the way, Andrew Parker, and in the audience, Sean. Sean is here. Say hi, Sean.
Hi.
Sean's here, everybody.
Hey, everyone.
All right. These ones are kind of cool because they do include a piece of silver, which is kind of nice because they know you're just buying stupid food.
Here,
But that
let's
is
get a
an
nice,
actual, boom, look at that.
Oh, nice.
That is a grain of silver. And it's cool for collectors. Actual retail value, less than a nickel. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding. Look at this. Who is sending back Teddygrams?
I don't know.
Luhu Zerhers. Simply Craft Dinner made with cauliflower. That's probably why that was sent back. They're like, didn't read the fine print.
Yeah. Ordered the wrong one. I wanted the regular.
Curly flour. I got this in the last box. This is not a favorite. Digestive cookies, right?
Yeah.
But there's chocolate. There's chocolate. I also got these. Kind is the Nature Valley ripoff of sort of good for you dark chocolate and sea salt. And you know what? I've had them, and they're not bad. Knockoff. Morning O's. Hey, normally when me and the missus have a morning O, it's a good thing. And this happens again. A luggage-sized container of crackers. Hi, do you need crackers for the next 7 years? Send it back, Martha. We only need crackers for 6 years. It's a lot. Oh, cashews. Who's sending back cashews?
Somebody whose head's not on right.
That's right. Like this is like a $10 bag of gibbers here. Pomegranate vanilla glazed. On second thought, that sounds kind of gross. Jacob's cream crackers. That's what Andrew and I get called when we go out on the town. A couple of cream crackers coming into the bar here. Parker, you're quiet today. Monaco mint chocolate, Pepperidge Farm. Pepperidge Farm.
Ooh.
Whatever. Oh, there's always a can of soup. Really, chicken noodle, the most basic and generic. Send it back, Martha. We're not living like royalty here.
How are we going to pay the mortgage?
Martha, 33 cents. Send it back. Ooh, stepping up, the cracker game. Cheesy.
Oh, yeah, that's the real
Lunch.
cracker.
Cheddar Blankfort. Sharp white cheddar. Also, again, our nicknames when we're out on the town. There's one thing left. If you guys are going to deep fry stuff, panko breadcrumbs.
It looks like it's open.
Yeah.
Opened panko. Well, the thing is, can we just,
Yep.
what am I going to do? Resell this? This is the test.
Ooh, still sealed.
Still seal.
I
Hey!
feel like chicken tonight. Like chicken tonight. Hey, listen, I paid $32 for all this. And I bet you, I mean the cashews alone, the Kind bars, the digestives, the 9,000 pack of Premium Plus. Don't forget the Morning O's. Maybe I got my money's back. This is why we call it Mystery or Misery. Was it a misery? Kind of. Anyways, I promise to be back. We're buying storage lockers. We're getting mystery boxes. Maybe some more food stuff. But stay tuned. I've got more in store for you. In the meantime, I love you guys.